English.
From which class you are also, yes, please. Wait.
Myself and our student. I'm explaining about this is my college also on this top and it goes to the pipes and it goes to the filtration process. And after filtration process, it goes to this pipe and it will be storage in the well. And when agriculture feels water, we will use the water from here. Tamil Nadu is the first state in India which has made roof for harvesting structure compulsory. So all the houses across the state, this is introduced by assembly, jail and the common chief minister of Tamil Nadu. Thank you.
So lighting is not good over here.
Yes.
And what is your instrument?
So first, what is
Bring it.
Below.
wait. 3, 2, 1, start.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Circulatory. I am here to tell you about Magnetism. Magnetism means maintaining your health and body food items and model. Protein we get from some like egg we get from the protein and fruit vegetable we get from these sources of vitamins and minerals. The more vegetables and fruits the better. And protein, eat animals basic food such as fish, eggs, poultry and meats. Fats, a small amount of fat is helpful in the absorption of vitamins A, D and E. Vitamin A, body benefits. Eyesight, growth, sense of the taste. Body sources, liver, carrots, leaf vegetable and dairy products.
Sir, photos.
No, wait.
Digestive system.
You come and you complete your experiment.
Is there anyone else in this group who are supposed to explain? Wait. Introduce yourself, who you are, from which class you are, what you are going to explain and everything.
And speak loud.
Speak loudly.
Speak loudly.
You are also going to explain, right? Okay.
Chilli. You out.
You can introduce yourself. 3, 2, 1, start.
Good morning everyone. I am Vipul. I am from England. Today I am going to explain about abdominal cavity. Abdominal cavity means liver, gallbladder, bile duct and pancreas. Diseases, these are gastric diseases. We are having 3 types of diseases: gastrogastric, ascariasis and gastric problems.
So you have discussed about gastric disease. What are those? Your project. What are those? Show me a photo. Explain about it.
So this is liver and this is pancreas. It is a bilobed structure which is having larger left lobe and larger right lobe and smaller left lobe. And liver also produces a juice called bile, which also helps in further digestion. Liver measures 7 centimeters in women and 5.5 centimeters in men, and it weighs 1200 to 1400 grams in adult women and 1400 to 1500 grams in adult men. Here comes pancreas. In pancreas, it plays dual roles. It produces trypsin, which is a digestive enzyme, and it also produces insulin, which emulsifies the fat proteins.
So photos. Here they divided into subsections. First you take so
Well, it's time. No problem. Explain.
three,
Come close, come close.
1, start.
Protein digestion. After that, it moves to the small intestine, which absorbs nutrition. After it travels to large intestine, which helps to absorb the water. After the waste material will store in rectum, after it reaches to the ants. This is how food travels in the digestion.
Right. Okay, let's blend that with this. Put on.
So with the whatever you can introduce yourself, your name, be whatever to explain, and then speak loudly. Both of you introduce yourself.
Explain. Start.
3, 2, 1, start.
Which contains acids and enzymes in it, which helps in digesting food. And there is a coating of musculars around the stomach, which helps it won't disturb the organs of the digestive system with its acid medium. The digestive system.
Good. None. Say focus.
Put on. You have done this put on.
Say Junior.
Are you going to explain?
You're going to explain.
No problem. Or it's put there on.
Wait. 3, 2.
Say it loudly.
Mechanism of growth. Esophagus and epiglottis. Esophagus is also known as food pipe or gullet. It is in 30 centimeters in length, and esophagus is the function of esophagus is entering the mouth through the throat and into the stomach. The functions of the esophagus is it allows the events flow. In the case of purification, the scientific name of the esophagus is esophagus, and it is made up of partly skeletal muscles and smooth muscles. It has powerful muscles that give the food of fluids. Now epiglottis is just movable small lid. It can prevent the food and urine which entering the pipe. It helps by vomiting and it helps in gag reflex, protecting your ability to breathe while protecting the larynx also. The interesting fact about edutech is that you swallow 500 to 7 times a day in a day.
Good. So this is the way that food goes. From windpipe, it won't go into windpipe, directly it go to esophagus. Esophagus to stomach. Good, thank you.
Stop! Hello?
3, 2, 1, start.
Good morning everyone, I am Samiti from the grade 10. So today we are going to tell you about skeletal system. Skeletal system is a framework of philosophy. The human skeletal system has got six bones, and the bone is a solid organ which have been divided externally and internally. Bone, which is the hard tissue, which forms most of the skeletal organs. The function of bones are it helps in locomotion, it protects internal organs, and also helps in movement and gives structure to our body.
Good morning everyone.
గట్టిగా చెప్పు.
Good morning everyone. This is Shubham and Ella. It's the word usually affects the the resulting that are soft and weakened bones. This is Suresh and my topic is about osteoporosis. This is the most common bone disease. This is caused because of the bone density. This results in fragile bones and higher risk of fractures. Thank you.
So here also bones.
Good morning everyone. I am Anisha from grade 9. My topic is osteomyelitis. Osteomyelitis is a bone infection. The symptoms indulge fever, bone pain, stiffness and swelling. The diagnosis is done by physical examinations such as blood tests and bone biopsy. Early surgery and antibiotics can prevent permanent bone damage. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Anjali from grade 9. Building a good diet is only a building block of a healthy diet. A person requires calcium, a person requires 700 microgram of calcium a day. Vitamin D, a person requires 10 microgram of vitamin D a day. If we do not get enough vitamin D, our bones become weak and we feel very weak while walking, etc. Good source of vitamin D is the action of the sun, like in our body. Thank you. needed for healthy bones are calcium, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, protein, and vitamins.
Good. So now all these belongs to same single process. So if we come to even 1% can also you should explain. Only do one. Very few members are coming happy to see.
Nervous system. 3, 2, 1, start.
Good morning, I am Ethan from grade 10. Today we are going to learn about the nervous system. Nervous system plays a role in everything you do. It's your body's command center. Nervous system's main function is to receive and transmit messages from brain to all the parts of the body and vice versa. The nervous system is made up of two parts, central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system, also known as CNS, consists of your brain and the spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system, also known as PNS, consists of types of nerves. Neuron is a basic structural functional unit of nervous system. These are the dendrites, it is the nucleus, this part is called the axon, and these are axon terminals. From the dendrites, they receive messages and goes through the axon and then goes to the other neuron. Now should be telling about types of nerves.
I am Udagi Patil.
I am Assistive.
We are here to tell you about some types of nerve. Olfactory. It is also known as the first cranial nerve. It helps in the sensation of smell.
Optic nerve. It is also known as the second cranial nerve. It transmits visual information from the retina to the brain.
Oculomotor. It is also known as the third cranial nerve and it helps in the movement of eyelids.
Trochlear nerve. It is also known as the fourth cranial nerve. It innervates a single muscle, the superior oblique muscle of the eye.
Now should be telling about
Good morning everyone. I am Lisa, the science of class 10 and I am going to tell about brain. So brain is one of the main organ of the body which will control almost every aspect and it will also control reflexes. It is very important and it weighs about 20%. It weighs about 2% of the body mass and it consumes 20% of the energy needed for our body. So I am going to explain about the structure of brain. This is the brain and this is the cerebrum. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain and it controls all the voluntary actions. Then here, this is the cerebral peduncle and the cerebrum is made up of two hemispheres, the right hemisphere and the left hemisphere. So both the hemispheres are connected to the cerebral peduncle which is a fibrous band and here you have the hypothalamus. It is one of the important part of the brain and it will control all the involuntary actions. And here you have the cerebellum. The cerebellum is the part of the brain which will control all the precision of voluntary actions and it will control our posture and maintain our posture. This is the medulla and it controls sleep, hunger, etc. And this is the pons which regulates respiration. Thank you. I'm passionate about development of brain. In general, brain development is brain development demands of babies after conception and it should be completed by earlier adulthood. The basic structure of the brain is laid down clearly in the penultimate brain. The basic structure of the brain is laid down clearly in the penultimate brain. The foundation of sensory and perceptual system that are secrets in language.
Good morning everyone, my name is Shrija. Today I am going to tell about diseases of brain cancer. Brain cancer scientific name is glioblastoma. Symptoms: difficulty in walking, muscle weakness in one side of the body, strong headaches, blurred vision. Treatment: meditation, surgery, medical procedure. Thank you.
That's also brain.
Spine.
Spine.
So photo name. 2.
no physical model.
Three, two, one, start.
Good morning. My name is Ashrita. I'm studying in Vignan Steel City Public School of grade 10. Today I'm going to tell about spinal cord, which is a part of nervous system. Spinal cord is a bundle of nerves which is surrounded by bone structure called vertebral column. There are 33 bones in vertebral column. It protects the spinal cord. Spinal cord helps in carrying electrical signals to the whole body. And there are some diseases for whole nervous system, Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, brain cancer, brain tumor. I will explain one of them, like dementia. It is umbrella diagnosis. A group of diseases together is called dementia. Symptoms forgetting the recent events or information. And
Myself, I'm studying in 9th class. My school name is Vignan Steel City Public School. My topic is neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters are chemical messengers that your body cannot function without. Their job is to carry chemical signals from one neuron to the next target cell. Thank you.
Okay. All right, please start.
Good morning everyone. Myself, I'm studying in Vignan Steel City Public School. I'm studying in grade 8, grade 9. Today we are going to explain about lungs and structure of lungs and respiratory system. The lungs are primary organs of the respiratory system. The lungs together weigh 1.3 kgs. Human have two lungs, right lung and left lung. Right lung is wide and smaller, whereas left lung is long and narrow. The common function of respiration during lungs are inhale oxygen and exhale oxygen is the removal of carbon dioxide, burning of food to provide us energy. This job is performed by lungs. The respiratory system has many other functions apart from helping us to breathe. These include warming the air. Good morning everyone. My name is Shoshita. My name is Deepika. My name is Dennis. We are from Magnetism. This is a project water is delivered directly to the roots of the plant through the handling of fluid. It is considered highly efficient method of
This is later alarm security. We can protect our housing from any kind of theft by this particle. When the laser is aimed at this, the LED will not glow, and when something obstructs it, the LED glows. So by this project we can secure our home. This is transistor BC547. This is LDR. This is resistant 2.2K. This is LED. This is switch, and this is a battery.
No, hi, this is class 9.
I am Sachvatsal of Plan 3.
This topic is we have done Indian size, area and location. Here we can see Indian size and location. Indian size, Indian length is 3,214 kilometers, and its width is 2,933 kilometers. And our India has time confusion because first sunset in Arunachal Pradesh takes Arunachal Pradesh. It 4 minutes to 1 longitude. It reaches 2 hours. India has 30 longitudes. To reach Gujarat, it takes 2 hours. To avoid time confusion, our India has set IST. It means Indian Standard Time. At Mirzapur, at Uttar Pradesh, it was there. At 82 degrees 30 east longitude.
The longitudinal and latitudinal extent of India is approximately 30 degrees. The latitudinal extent of India starts from 8 degrees 4 minutes north latitude and ends at 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitude. And it extends from Kanyakumari to Kashmir.
And India is also known as peninsular plateau because 3 sides covered with water and 1 side covered with land. And land boundaries are 15,200 kilometers, and coastline are 7,516.6 kilometers.
The longitudinal extent of India is 68 degrees 7 minutes east longitude to 99 degrees 25 minutes east longitude.
Thank you.
I am Dinesh from 9th class B. Today we are saying about tenses. Present tense. Subject plus V1 plus S or ES plus object. Example, he goes to school. Continue. Subject plus is or am are plus V4 plus object. Example, he is going to school. Subject plus has or have plus V3 plus object. He has gone to school. Present continuous. Subject plus has or have been plus V4 plus object. He has been going to school. Past tense. Subject plus V2 plus object. He went to school. Subject plus was or where plus V4 plus object. He was going to school. Subject plus had plus V3 plus object. He has go to school. Subject plus had plus V4 plus object. He have been going to school. Future tense. Subject plus will or shall plus V1 plus object. He will go to school. Subject plus plus V4 plus object. He will be going to school. Subject plus will have been plus V3 plus object. He will have going to school. Have been going to school. Thank you.
The points have equal distance, and the certain point is known as center of the circle, and line segment which is crossed from center of the circle to end of the edge of the circle is known as radius. Next, the right segment from half of the circle is known as diameter, and bodies. There are two pods. Circle is divided into two portions. That's the major segment and minor segment. Major segment has more occupied space is known as major segment. Less occupied space is known as minor segment. Sector. Arc is a part of circle. Sector. 2 radii and 2 radii, one sector is known as sector. Cyclic quadrant. Here we get the cyclic quadrant. They have 4 vertices. G, B. There is here we can see here diameter is half of the perpendicular means 90 degrees. Means here 90 degrees will form. Next here tangent here it will form, and the more here green color it represent acute angle, and pink color represent obtuse angle. It is equal. Thank you.
Start. My name is Shanna. Good morning, my name is Anshu. We are of class 9B. We are presenting you the radar sensor. It can detect the object. See, we can see here if any object detected, it moves faster. Move faster. This is object used in military bases and airports to sense rockets and aeroplanes in the sky, and also missiles in war. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Yashmi from class 8 from Magnetism Public School, Nevada. Here I will explain about obstacle avoiding robot car. This robot helps us to any object comes in between this obstacle avoiding car, it will go forward and backward. Now I will show you. Like this, the obstacle avoiding robot can help us. Here you can see this start. This project is designed to build an obstacle avoiding robotic vehicle using ultrasonic sensor for its movement. A microcontroller is used to achieve the desired object. A robot is a machine that can perform tasks automatically or with gadgets. Thank you.
I'm Dr. I'm Magnetism. We are from class 9. Here we made a project called natural water purifier. Natural water purifier is used to purify water using natural components.
Natural water purification depends on natural products. It has 3 stages. First stage rocks, second stage sand, third stage cotton.
Rocks just block the huge objects such as grass, flowers, etc.
Sand blocks minimize the objects.
Cotton purifies more than the sand, and we get the purified water. The purifiers that we use in home can cause they can include chemicals and cause diseases to us. The natural purification method is in our world is called natural purifier. Grass, sand, minute objects, cotton, deepest objects, purified. The purification process of water may reduce the concentration of particular matter, including suspended particles, parasites, bacteria, algae, viruses, fungi, and a range of dissolved particle materials derived from the surface that water may have made contact with after falling acid. Thank you.
As per the meaning of blindness, the person who is suffering from lack of sight. Blindness is blind people has no ability to see anything. They face enormous challenges throughout their daily life. The life of blind people is different from normal people. A person moving from one place to another is major challenge for visually impaired. Blind people need another individual to move from one place to another. The project helps the blind people as well as the person dependent on individual with lack of sight. Third idea for blind people is an innovation which helps the blind people to navigate with greater comfort, speed and confidence by detecting nearby obstacles. By reading technology emit both emit and receive is a infrared radiation. They have to weigh it as a band or a form. So the aim of the project is to provide a cheap and efficient way for help blind people to navigate with greater comfort, speed and confidence. Thank you.
Show me how it works.
When the obstacles are nearby, it will sense the obstacles and inform to them by buzzer sound or vibration.
Tesla coil is invented by Nikola Tesla in 1890s and is more useful to transmit wireless electricity. The positive effect of wireless electricity is to reduce the production of wires, and it also makes the electricity transmit easier, and this is the small model of Tesla coil. This process will be explained by my friend MS. The Tesla coil provides a high voltage, but it is a small model, and a 90-volt battery is provided here. 90-volt battery is provided here. It's the main principle of the Tesla coil is electromagnetic induction. This induction helps the coil provided in the PVC pipe flow all the current from the 90-volt battery and power the small CFL bulbs. Thank you.
there is a three-dimensional figure. To find the total surface area of the sphere, I have to cover the small sphere with one thread, and the place where I get the long distance, I have to note that length, and then after I have to take the thread out and I have to cut it into 4 equal parts. After cutting into 4 equal parts, I should make it as 4 equal circle. I should make it as 4 equal circle. After making it as 4 equal circle, making 4 equal circle, I have to get the circumference of the big circle. Then I will get the radius. Then I have to find the circumference of the small first circle. Then I will get the circumference of the first circle. Then after second, then after third, and after fourth. After getting all the circles area, then I have to add all the small circles area. Then I will get the total surface of the sphere.
Because from India, my class, today I am presenting this model. First we have to take cylinder and a bone. Then we have to check whether volume we are taking the same height and the same radius. Then we have to check the cylinder and the bone's volume. The total cylinder's volume is equal to 3 times of the bone's volume.
Example.
Good morning everyone, we are from grade 10. Today we are here to explain you about eye. Eye are the major parts such as iris, cornea, lenses, which helps us to see.
Okay.
Good morning everyone, I am Samantha and today we are here to tell you about Pythagorean theorem. So Pythagorean theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to sine square plus sine square. My name is Good morning everyone. My name is Divya. I am studying in grade 10. We were 441 is equals to 400 plus 441 equals to 841 is equals to 841. So here we have the second. We have taken three squares. You all know that Pythagorean theorem consists of Pythagorean triplets. So here we have taken three squares. The Pythagorean triplets which we have taken is 5, 3 and 4. 5 is the hypotenuse, 3 is the shortest side and 4 is the base. So here the square, we have three squares. So this area, a single side is 5 centimeter and the other sides are also 5 centimeter because it is square. So the area of the square is S into S means S square. So this will be 5 square means 25. And the coming here, this is one side is 3, so it will be 9. The area of the square is 9 and coming to here, this one side is 4. So the area of the square will be 16. When we add this both, we will get 25. 16 plus 9 is equal to 25 which is equal to the hypotenuse. And coming to here, this square, complete square consists of 4 triangles and 1 square. So the area of this square is equal to 4 into half into base into height because there are 4 triangles and the area of the triangle is half into base into height and 1 square. So the area of the square is S square. So it will be C square. We have completed here 4 into half into base into height. Base is B and the height is A. So we have taken A. Next here the complete side is A plus B. So the area of the square is A plus B. So A plus B into A plus B is equal to A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square formula is A square plus B square plus 2AB which is equal to, here we have cancelled 2 and 4. 2 ones are and 2 twos are. So we have cancelled and we get this. And then later on when we expand this, we get this one. A square plus B square plus 2AB is equal to 2AB plus C square. And then later on 2AB and 2AB is cancelled because there is a is equal to mark. And then we get back to our original formula A square plus B square is equal to C square. Thank you.
Everyone, I'm Justin Saiteja. Now we are going to tell about ENT, which means ear, nose, throat. Now I'm going to explain you about ear.
An ear is an organ which enables hearing and body balance in vestibular system. The ear usually has 3 main parts. The outer ear. The outer ear is the only visible part in human body. It consists of ear canal. The middle ear. The middle ear consists of eardrum and 3 ossicles. The 3 ossicles are incus, stapes. Inner ear sits in the bony labyrinth. It has 3 parts: the semicircular canal, the utricle saculae, and coleca.
Now Justin Raju will explain you about nose.
The nose is the first part of the respiratory system and it is also the principal part of the olfactory system. The shape of the nose is determined by the nasal bones and the nasal capillaries. The nasal which also includes the nasal septum, which divides the nostrils and also divides the nasal cavities into 2 halves.
Now Anjan will explain you about throat.
Throat is the front part of the neck which is internally positioned in the front of the vertebrae. It contains pharynx and larynx. It has an important section called epiglottis which separates the trachea and esophagus from preventing from food items being inhaled into the lungs. It contains trachea, esophagus, pharyngeal muscles, nasopharyngeal tonsils, palatine uvula, and vocal cords. Mammal throats have hyoid and clavicle. Pharynx contains 3 parts: nasopharynx, oropharynx, and hypopharynx. Thank you.
adapter, and when we use this cold bed under these drawings, the state decided the capsule glows. For Telangana, it makes LED glows and it makes a noise. For Punjab, when we touch this, the tablet of Punjab, Chandigarh glows. Thank you.
Complete angle is 360 degree. The example of right angle is 90 degree. The example of acute angle is 40 degree. The example of straight angle is 180 degree. Thank you.
About our project named as Godbots. We need 32 rubbers. We need robots and 32 rubbers. Also, it's made up of cardboard. We need a small HMI battery and one trigger. It is made up of cardboard and electric. It has 3 levels. First level, second level, third level. Here is my friend. Ablash to continue the speech.
In level 1, the ball goes much distance but not much height. In level 2, the two go much height and distance as it is 50%. In level 3, it goes height but not distance. Also, when we load this rubber hose used to unload. When we pull this trigger, the ball goes into this. Also, it has 3 gates, 100, 25 and 50. Also, it has different ways to come out. Here is my friend Aryan to continue the
We can time pass with this cardboard. Also, it is made up of natural artificial cardboard. That provides ways to come out. 100, 2 ways, 50, 100, 25 straight way. Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, my name is Akhil and I'm today my project is about hepatitis. I tell you first and the function of kidneys. It helps to purify the blood and send back into the veins. Yes, you're absolutely right. Then what if man's kidneys are non-working? Like the kidney or hot vein. This information also can be used at times. Causes hemodialysis disease. Oh, it's easy. Okay, can you tell the definition of hemodialysis? Yes, of course. The process of cleaning the blood artificially and sending back into the veins is called hemodialysis. So, the inventor of this machine is the blood is transferred through a dialyzer and it will go to A trap and A detector, and when blood clots we'll use heparin pump, and it will go back into the hand veins. So this is our project.
back. So if we rotate the magnet, it will say southward. When I bring the board here, car will attract and magnets were discovered 2300 years ago in Greece by a shepherd named Magnetism. When he brought his earth to his land for grazing, he saw that a rocket attracting his iron tip of his stick and iron shoes. This is how magnets were discovered.
Magnets were discovered in a place called magnesia. Now I am going to explain about the magnetic repulsion. Magnet repulsion happens when two like poles meet each other. If they brought near me, they will go backside. If we brought electric power and they will brought near but they will not attract. Here is Amal to continue this speech.
Magnetic substance that attach to a magnet is called magnetic substance. For example, iron and steel. Non-magnetic substance that do not attach to a magnet is called non-magnetic substance. For example, plastic. Here is my friend Shamit.
Force of attraction. Force of attraction is formed when the opposite poles of the magnet are here. Magnets were only attracted to iron, nickel, and cobalt. Thank you.
Okay, start.
The founder of this helmet is Shemitra. Smart helmet helps us from the sunburn.
And this is Arduino board, and this is receiver, and this is relay module, and this is bike engine.
Medical Good morning everyone. My name is Shavya from grade 7. My project is integers board. In this integers board, we can do additions and subtractions easily. So first example is 2 plus 3. We need 2 is a positive integer, so we need to move right side 2 steps, and plus 3 is also a positive integer, so 3 times right side. The answer is 5 times.
Start.
Bamboo, wood, etc. Third, thorn forest. Thorn forest are the areas also known as thorn forest. The semi-dry areas are Rajasthan, Gujarat, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh.
Mountain forest. Mountain forest, the forest which only elevation 2500 above the sea level. Mountain forest in Madhya Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, etc. in India. Only one tree of mountain forest, old plateau, and Mangolithic forest.
Yes, mangrove forest.
The group of trees and shells that thrive is coastal area. Coastal area in it is called a mangrove forest. Major trees of mangrove forest is old, etc. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Lakshmi. In the lab of science fest, I did a project named satellite communication visual model. In this, we can understand that when satellite gets signal, satellite distributes the signal to the antenna. The antenna gives the signal to the wire, car, apartments, and boat, aeroplane. And by the word satellite, we can understand that it is an object that revolves around the earth by giving us signal in space. By the word communication, we can understand that the exchange of the signal by one or two antennas is called communication. By the word satellite communication means that when a transmitter gets signal, transmitter transfers the signal to satellite, the satellite gives the signal to the antenna, and the antenna gives signal to smart mobile or smart device. The first satellite was sent to space. The name one. The launch vehicle was in PS. Year 1957, October 4th. Country Soviet Union. Mass weight means weight. That's 83.6 kgs. Our India's first satellite. Aryabhata. Launch vehicle Cosmos 3M by India. It is launched on 1975 April 19. It is 360 kgs. Thank you.
Okay.
Uses affirmation.
My name is Ashwin. His name is Gunesh. Welcome to our project topic. This is calcium carbonate, which is also produces in gas with the reaction of water. It mixed up with the water, and it produces the excreting gas, which is also useful for building blocks. At the same it wears on the flyless rock. Safety precautions.
First, we should wear gloves and specs and mask. These the smoke will come out when we should it will harm our body.
Thank you.
Start.
Good morning, I am Avinash. I am Gurdeep. I am Jay. We are the team members of elevator project. Our elevator is consist of cardboard and wood. Our elevator can hold 50 grams of bags. And elevator is the vertical transportation vehicle which effectively takes people from one floor to another floor. Here is one switch. It connects to fan. When we will rotate this rotator, the elevator will be on and it will go up. When we will come to second floor, the second floor blue light will be on. When we will go to third floor light will be on. And this is roller for taking support of springs. And this is rotator, and here is one fan, and this is lift. These are geovers, this is thread, this is motor, and this is thread. Here is Lord Ganesha. Thank you. This is human following robot. In here, we use 3 sensors, one Arduino motor driver, a lithium battery holder and lithium battery, some wires, switch and TTK motor. Here, in ultrasonic sensor, we can see here T and R. T means transmitter and R means receiver. Transmitter will transmit the rays and it receives the rays and it sends the rays to the infrared sensor so that it makes the robot move.
This is a torch. This consists of a switch and battery, a couple of wires and a bulb. When we switch on the torch, the positive and the electric passes from the positive terminal of the battery to the positive terminal of the bulb and negative terminal of the bulb and negative terminal of battery through wires. Thank you.
Patel of class 7. This is Shaurya Patel of class 7. This is Archika Singh of class 7. Today we are going to present you the model of vacuum cleaner. This is a vacuum cleaner which has a DC motor and a propeller which takes the air in a disadvantages of vacuum. It makes human lazy. It makes a hell of noise. It will not work without electricity. Advantages of vacuum cleaner. It maintains physical. It is a valuable tool for every home. Which are not in the level of our eye. These numbers show the objects which are farther than us. When this
study of mechanism and propagation of light. Here is my technical step and go inside and make it move. This makes our more aggressive and more.
Good morning. Yes, our product is circulation. So we all know that heart is the main organ in our circulation. So
We think that the body carries RBC, WBC and platelets, but the bladder also carries fluid, plasma, matrix. I try to do some demonstration of
this blue one blood is deoxygenated blood and the red one is oxygenated blood. So from the vein the deoxygenated blood goes to the heart, and from the capillaries the deoxygenated blood goes to the heart, and the heart sends the deoxygenated blood to the lungs, and lungs purify the blood and it changes into the red color oxygenated blood, and it sends to the heart, and heart sends to the brain, and brain sends to all of the body parts, lungs, heart, kidneys and capillaries.
Hello everyone, good morning. I am Rashid from grade 9.
I am Neurological from grade 9.
Our project is magnetic sensory bottle. Magnetic sensory bottle is used to identify the magnetic field around a particular object, and it is also used to identify the strength of a magnet. We can see here that in this bottle there are iron fillings. When this magnet goes near to it, and it attracts the iron fillings. This is due to the electrons which is present in the bottle. Thank you. And this shows magnetism.
My project is permutational numbers. The permutational numbers are the numbers which when multiplied by single digit, it rearranges its digits to get the product. For example, the number 142857 when multiplied by 2, the answer is 285714. When the number is multiplied by 3, it rearranges to get 428571 and so on. So this is an example of cyclic permutation. Thank you.
It is a tensors of spinning. It is a tensors of spinning wheel.
And this is our model. In this model, we go about how the these are the common diseases occur. Common heart disease which occurs due to the blockage of the straining the heart and the blood vessels, which causes heart attack and heart strokes. Now, my friend Nikhil will continue.
Missions will heart of blood and oxygen of blood and pulse. Oxygen of blood and pulse. Heart monitor are used to sound waves. Shows the relationship of time between the nouns to the other parts of the sentence. Example: on, at, in, far, etc. The speakable sentences are there is a holiday. Prepositions of place and direction. Shows the relationship of place between the nouns to the other parts of sentences. Example: on, at, towards, to, from, etc. Speakable sentences are: he is at home. I live across the river. The police broke into the house. He came from England. Uses of agent of indicate a casual relationship between nouns and other parts of the sentence. The answer is about phone. I will be always here for you. Most of the guests are already left. He is playing with his brothers. Present preposition. A present preposition is not a particular phrase, but the combination of two or more words which functions as a preposition. Example: along with, apart from, because of, by means of, according to, in fact of, etc. The speakable sentences are: I am going out of the city. They along with the children went to Delhi. According to the new rules, you are not right. In spite of being a good player, he was not selected. Thank you. For this activity, the tools tester and cutter. Working function of this are: for working, every equipment needs a positive terminal and a negative terminal. The positive terminal is given throughout the switch and the negative terminal is given throughout the direct connection of the socket. As you can see, there are 5: yellow, blue, black and green. Red, yellow and blue are used for positive terminals. Black is used for light. The indicator light switches on, and if we switch on this, the light blinks and the phone gets charged. Thank you.
Nice.
planet to our sun. Mercury is the second hottest planet in our solar system. Venus is the second closest planet to our sun. Venus is the hottest planet